Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Anne Arut channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video, we have to see Pondicherry mother Mira Alfasa birthday coming on February 21st. For more information, we shall go to the inside the video. I request you to all to kindly watch the video in full. The mother was born, Mira Alfasha, in Paris on 21st February 1878. A pupil at the Academic Julian, she became an accomplished artist and also excelled as a pianist and writer. Interested in occultism, she visited Tlemcen, Algeria in 1905 and 1906 to study with the adept Max Thion and his wife. Her primary interest, however, was spiritual development. In Paris, she founded a group of spiritual seekers and gave talks to various groups. In 1914, the mother voyaged to Pondicherry to meet Sri Aurobindo, whom she at once recognized as the one who for many years had involved guided her spiritual development. After a stay of 11 months, she was obliged to return to France due to the outbreak of the First World War. A year later, she went to Japan for a period of 4 years. In April 1920, the mother rejoined Sri Aurobindo in Pondicherry. When Sri Aurobindo Ashram was formed in November 1926, Aurobindo entrusted its full material and spiritual charge to the mother. Under her guidance, which continued for nearly 50 years, the ashram grew into a large, many-faceted spiritual community. In 1952, she established Sri Aurobindo International Center of Education and in 1968 an international township, Auroville. Mother is the most scared word in this world. It is a gift for a woman to be called as mother by her children, but it is a perpetual boon for a woman to be called as mother by the whole world, and this boon is being granted to the revered Mira Alfasa. Her birthday is celebrated in great manner at Pondicherry. Though mother is a foreigner, her love for India knew no boundaries, and especially her love for Pondicherry is incredible. She spent her days only for people's welfare. On this Mother's Day, people from all over the world visit her tomb inside the Aurobindo Ashram and pay tribute to her. People will offer flowers and bouquets to her and also indulge in meditation. Most of the school students come over to the ashram and sing songs in praise of her. Other than paying tribute to the mother, there will be a musical concerts, dance, shows and stage plays. The mother birthday festival is celebrated on 21st of February every year at Aurobindo Ashram, Pondicherry. In this great situation, now we have to see only 5 important quotes provided by mother. For the work, steadiness and regularity are as necessary as skill. My help is always with you to help you in your progress and your work. The difficulties you can not overcome today will be overcome tomorrow or later on. Be sure that I am always present among with you to guide and help you in your work and your sadhana. One can progress through meditation, but through work, provided it is done in the right spirit, one can progress 10 times more. Go on aspiring, and the necessary progress is bound to come. Hello viewers, I think this video is liked by you. If you are really liking means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I request you to kindly subscribe this Aravindar Anne Arut channel. Thank you for watching this full video.